Okay, welcome back, great minds. So we are still on indices, and this time around we want to talk about indices with numbers with fractional powers. I know in the first class we are just focused on numbers with on product of numbers with the same base, and then division of numbers with the same base, and then I guess numbers with double power. But this time around, we want to look at numbers with fractional power. And from the examples we have here, we have simplify all these numbers. We will take them one after the other. The first one there says 8 raised to the power 1 over 3. And this is the same thing from the law of fractional power. The same thing as cube root of 8. Of course, all raised to the power 1, but even if you raise it to the power 1, it will still give you the same thing. And this is equals what? 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. Then the second one is number 2 there is 27 to the power 1 over 3. And this is the same thing as from the law of that fractional power, the same thing as cube root still of 27 raised to the power 1. So if you do it, it will give you 3. Then number 3 says 8 over 27 all to the power minus 2 over 3. And from the law of negative fractional power, we have fractional power and then negative fractional power. From that law of negative fractional power, the first thing to do here is 1 over, this is 8 over 27 all to the power 2 over 3. The moment you do it inverse of it, that sign, that negative sign goes away. So 1 over, you see, there's no negative sign here. And then this is the same thing as 1 over cube root of that 8 over 27. As this cube root is covering all of them, and then all to the power 2. And this is the same thing as 1 over cube root of 8 is 2, and cube root of 27 is 3 over 3. And all of them raised to the power what? 2. And this is the same thing as 1 over 2 times 2 is 4. 1 over 4, 3 times 3 is what? 9. How do I do it? Okay, this is 1 over 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. This power is covering both 2. So it's the same thing as 2 times 2 is 4 over 2 times 3 is 9. And then from here, you notice that you have 1 over 4 over 9. So if we simplify it, the way we do fraction, let me just divide the board here. The way we do fraction, this is the same thing as when you solve it completely, we get 9 over 4. But let me just show you. This is 1 divided by 4 over 9, which is the same thing as 1 multiplied by 9 over 4, which is equal to 9 over 4. So that's it. Then another one there says, number 4 says 3 raised to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 over 2. And then when we do the numbers with the same base, product of numbers with the same base, and if you notice here, this one has the law. We're going to use the law of numbers with the same base and then numbers with fractional powers. So the first thing we do here is numbers with the same base first. So we have here 3 raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. This one is equal to the same thing, this thing, and which is still equal to 3 raised to the power. Then when we add the powers, we add 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. What do we get? What will we have? This is, but let's do it. We have 2 here, and 2 and so it's 2, right? 2, 2, yeah. 2, and then 2 into 1, 1 times 1, 1, plus 2 into 1, 1 times 3 is 3. So that means we have 3 whole number, 3 raised to the power 4 over 2, which is the same thing as 3 raised to the power what? 2. Then if you want to simplify further, 3 times 3, 9. And then we have another one. Okay, this number 5. Number 5. Yeah, content. Okay, let's do it this way. Yeah, number 5 says bracket 2 whole number 1 over 4 all raised to the power. Number 5 says bracket 2 whole number 1 over 4 all raised to the power 1 whole number 1 over 2. So this is it, right? Yeah. So this is the same thing as, first of all, you convert this thing is a mixed fraction. You convert it to improper fraction. And this is the same. This will give us 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. That is bracket 9 over 4. All raised to the power 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. All raised to the power 3 over 2. This is this. And from here, this is the same thing as square root of 9 over 4 all to the power of 3. And then square root of this one is square root of 9 and square root of 4. And that will give us square root of 9 is 3. 3 over square root of 4 is 2 all to the power 3. And that gives us 3 times 3. And that gives us 27 over 8. Right. 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27, 2 times 2, 4, 4. So that is it. Now another one there is this one. Number 6. It says cube root of 4 to the power 1.5. Cube root of 4 to the power 1.5. But and this is the same thing as cube root of 4 to the power 1 whole number 1 over 2. This is 1.5 and 0.5 is half, which is 1 over 2. So this is the same thing as 1 whole number. 1.5 is the same thing as 1 whole number 1 over 2. And that is the same thing as cube root of 4 to the power. Convert this one 3 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 to the power 3 over 2. You see that? And this is the same thing as, okay, yeah, we enter. Okay, this is the same thing as cube root of square root of 4 to the power 3. What do you notice here? This square root of 4 to the power 3 is the one inside that general cube root. That's what we are trying to simplify, because it has a fractional power 3 over 2. And from there we have cube root of square root of 4 is 2 raised to power what? 3. And of course, cube root of 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 2. 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And cube root of 8 is 2. Then the last one there, okay, which is this one. Let me clean here. I pray this place contains this one. And the last one there is square root of bracket 125 raised to power 2, or to the power minus 1 over 3. And this is the same thing as first of all, it starts with fractional power. Negative fractional power. This is 1 over square root of 125 square all over 1 over 3. Guys, to the power 1 over 3. This is power. One over square root of, remember this is double power, over 125 raised to power times this raised to power 2 over 3, right? This is double power. And this is the same thing as 1 over square root of cube root of 125 to the power 2. Look at it, look at it. This is the general square root for everything here. And then, but those things there, that number, which is 125 to the power 2 over 3, has fractional power. And then the law of fractional power, so we get the cube root of the number using the denominator, and then raised to the power the numerator, and which is it here, which is cube root of 125 to the power 2. And from there, that is the same thing as 1 over cube root of 125 is, so square root of cube root of 125 is 5 to the power 2, right? And this is the same thing as 1 over square root of 525, which is just like square root of 25, which is 5. So that is it.